pilot mount trail. Getting ready to do it. Over here, this used to be hikers that were holding these sticks. No one knows where they went now. The sticks are here, but they are not. I decided to record so I can show Jesslyn that you went mountain climbing with me. This counts, right? We're still on the trail, the orange trail. We haven't made it to the blue one yet. Red? Red wasn't on the thing. Oh yeah, yeah. So that's not for the trail, that's the reflectors to show you probably if you're walking at night. Either that, or that's where the people that had the sticks died. It's almost like stairs. Someone once held this walking stick over here. What it is, they fell with it. Good. Good. We're not too high yet. I'm breathing heavy. Hey, this is nice. Look at these step ones in these sections. Her walking stick didn't last that long. She already ditched it. It was too heavy. Guessing it was a chipmunk or a squirrel. It sounded like something was moving, but like right on the other side of the rock, so maybe he's got a cave or a tunnel. Are we there yet? Look, more people. Hello. You look, they're professionals and made it to the top with no walking stick. What'd you say? What'd you say? She's not a professional? Oh. This is your hike. You picked it. I forgot to turn the GPS on. Now we're never going to know how fast we go. And the elevation. More steps. Maybe. It's only half a mile to the end of the orange trail. We've been walking for 8 minutes and it's only a half a mile to the end of the orange trail. And it was half a mile when we started. We're actually up pretty high. You can't even see where the parking lot was. You can't see where the lake was either. Whew. The plane. No, me neither. Probably behind the clouds. Looking like all the green's coming out. It looks like there's a sign over here. If I was making one of these trails, I'd put a sign that makes it look like somebody stole the map that says you are here, and just have it say that on the whole sign, you are here. Day 4, we're still on the orange trail doing the half a mile. There are flying squirrels, that's why we didn't see it. Of that? Yeah. From the top, maybe you will. Unless the flies are misleading. It's going to be like excellent view from the top. Oh no, there's a tree in the way. Need a break yet? can't believe they don't let motorbikes go up here. Hello. Good, you? Except to let you guys pass.
No, oh, that's yeah. You're like scanning for something over there. I'm like, what you see? Oh, he's recording and doing pictures. Ah. Don't look up.
When you're coming back the other direction, it's going to say don't look down.
When I'm coming back the other direction, I'm just
Look
gonna
up,
roll.
and
And you fall on your ass and I'm gonna just roll down.
Look, girlfriend, you think you're being nice.
I can get it. I gotta get it up there.
Is it for your extended car warranty? Reminding you to renew it?
No, it's you guys telling me I need to fill my head.
But you can't call for an emergency.
I want to do that because you're going to tree first.
Oh, that's true.
We're almost at the top. 30 more minutes. That arrow's telling you which way to go in case you get lost. Still regretting not taking your walking stick? No, because you would have got it stuck on everything trying to climb up. That's probably why there's so many at the bottom. People start and they're like, oh, nice walking stick. Now it's when they turned around and gave up. It's wet over here. You okay over there? There she is, almost at the top
Yeah, no, I don't want to step the top.
of the orange section. No? It said 40 minutes for the whole thing. The orange section is only a half mile. The whole thing's like a mile and a half. Are the bugs still chasing you? Today's infomercial, off mosquito repellent. It gets rid of half the bugs. There's more people down below here. You would take a break off.
No, we're driving.
A nice log for someone right there.
And it's not.
Okay, not a nice,
It is.
not a nice log for someone. How about this nice rock right here? This rock isn't gonna snap, right? Is that too high? Or we can sit on one of these. Guess that's a note to that rock too. We didn't pack a picnic basket. We didn't know there was going to be this nice of a view, huh?
Picnic basket.
I don't know, Yogi Bear, meet us at the top. Cool. Oh yeah. Interesting. I didn't even notice, and it hasn't been itchy either. This one feels like it's gonna bug. From what? I didn't ride a bike. What bike? Oh yeah, that. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, you said that, but I'm thinking bike like pedal like regular bicycle, not real trail bike. There's already such a nice view. You can't get a clear one in there?
I mean,
With all trees.
yeah.
Tell them to cut the trees down. Tell them, you know these trees are in the way for my pictures? How am I supposed to make it a magic Kodak moment with all these trees in the way?
Exactly. How dare trees be in nature?
You want to take a break here?
Sure.
Oh, porcupines. You think we'll see any?
No. We never get to see anything.
Fish or cats?
Kind of hoping we don't see that.
Bobcat? Indian pipe? Here it is, the first rest area. How's it feel?
Nice. It's a lovely little seat. And look, we could have had a picnic.
Is everything you hoped for and more?
No. Not any water.
Two-minute break is over. She's cracking the whip. She told me I gotta climb. Told me this is a climbing expedition, no sitting around. There she is, mountain climbing. Look at her rappelling off the cliff.
Yeah.
When yesterday? Did you guys? Not too high to push though. Are the flies still chasing you? As soon as I stop, I feel like I got 15 of them around me. Don't they know you're on the buffet menu? What brand was it? What brand was it? Oh, Off Deep Woods. At your nearest Dollar General. Where you can get gnomes and bug repellent. I saw creepy tree. Oh, that'll be pretty high up. The houses look very small. This is going to tell us our elevation at the end. I'm sure we were 60 feet up. Oh, look, more stairs. I don't know, I'd rather the stairs than that section we just did. What makes the stairs hard is they're all different sizes. Somebody's riding a dirt bike up. You can hear the birds in the distance. Yeah. That one that's doesn't he know this is supposed to be a nature hike? We want to hear the pretty birds, not the ugly ones. No. Letting all these people pass. Because she's going to run down and pass them all.
Yeah.
It's a good spot for sledding, I guess. More people wait. Need another break? Top or the top of the onion section? Yeah. Are we there yet? No rolling down. You go backwards, you're never gonna make the top. Are you doing the same thing as me, leaning on a tree? We're gonna almost be to the top of the iron section, I would say. Because it looked like it was about a half a mile. And I'd say we've done half a mile. So it was about a half a mile. So it showed half a mile, and then it showed like 1 mile, but the 1 mile was, it does almost like a figure 8 at the top after the waterfall. it loops around. And on the way back down, it said 1.5 miles. So it's probably closer to 2 miles. If you count the loop around and back down. But if you watch it, it's on the very big. What's it at? Mine's at 119. Mine would be lower if these flies would leave me alone. They're not biting me, they're just flying around me. I didn't need any, they were supposed to be chasing you. They don't know how it works. Told me I'm not going fast enough to do the expedition either. Keep going. Oh no, you're supposed to be the expedition leader. I don't want to slow you down. What, because there's more space? Are you taking a break? The rock right there. Resting spot number 2. Ain't she pretty?
Enjoy your day.
He's enjoying his walk. Come on, let's go. Quit holding me up. Don't they know they were supposed to rake these leaves?
Rake it just for us.
They have a comment.
At least blow her up with you and just kind of keep it out of the way. It's good.
They got a comment line in the little book. Rhode Island. Yeah. Providence is like 15 minutes from us. I'm walking too fast.
Not all the time long legs.
Where are you? Rhode Island. Like the Brian.
Nice. He's still trying to stop.
You're trying to run.
I know. There was one when we started near that sign, the first tree. I could hear him, but I couldn't see him. So I could hear him moving in the tree. I can't see him. Yep. Yeah.
People were saying it was bloody.
I think it was this one.
It was snowy. He's like, what do you expect? It's kind of a thing. I did. Yep. For a couple seconds. I did a break. My short legs can do this.
Those trees weren't here. Do you think the trees are going to be in the way at the top?
That'd be awfully disappointing.
It must be close to the top of the orange section.
That's what you keep saying.
I know, I'm giving you hope.
There is no more hope.
Well, she passed us less than 10 minutes ago. Why don't they got any blueberries for us to snack on along the trail?
Penny, what?
Blueberries.
Well, you want to provide a snack too?
Yeah. Why not? Those other people said they went up to the top and back down in 20 minutes. It wasn't 20 minutes. This is done for longer than 20 minutes.
It was good.
No, I know.
Because we went up so fast.
Yeah.
So you said we'll take chasing a rabbit.
Gotta be close to the top of the orange section.
Listen, I'm gonna roll you down the orange section.
I'm gonna keep saying that. We haven't switched to the blue section yet. Here's a nice walking stick for you. I'm gonna find you another sitting rock. Need another break? Not yet. When you get to here, you can hear something moving. I spy something green. I can see the top. You see the gazebo? It's right up there. That's the top of this section. I'm doing the whole thing with this section. Can you see it yet, or am I blocking it? You want me to hold you up? You think they got a picnic area up there? Vending machine? Selling Snickers bars? Solar powered? It did say about 40 minutes, but was that for the first section or for the full trail? It didn't specify. No. It does, because we didn't pack sandwiches. I know. I already burned that halfway up the hill. At the top. Ooh, look at that view. The trees are still in the way. I know. I don't want to kill you.
Huh?
No, I know. I don't want to kill you. The breeze felt nice.
The breeze does.
Good, you. Look, we're still on the orange trail. Almost there. Oh, you look so nice and fluffy.
And hot.
Maybe. Ask if you can ride the dog down. They have a snack bar up here. They're serving s'mores. Okay, you can see over the trees. See, nice view.
Yeah. I guess it was worth it. Oh, way back there. That's far. Oh, wow.
She made it to the top. of the first section.
Yes, it is.